Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this old lighting switch, really old one, and replace it with something new like that one. It's a little more complicated at the back. See, it's got like a couple of bit of writing, and you got to use a wall box as well, and that's how it goes together. And got myself an extra bit of cable there which I'll use. Turn off the mains, and now I'm going to commence to disconnect the old switch. I'm just disconnecting it there from the connector like so. There we go. So there we go. Now I'm gonna get the brown wire at the bottom, which is live, which is my live wire. I'm gonna put it in the COM spot and just screw it in. COM means common. And the other brown, which is connected to the light, I'm putting it in L1 like so. Let's go off and test this out. Turn the mains on, come back. Ow, gee, the light was already switched on. There we go, on and off, on and off, on and off. Excellent, works. That's really cool. That was just the basic circuit. Now I'm going to just try and do it a bit more properly by earthing it into the wall box there. Get a bit of copper, which I got from an old wire. I'm just going to screw it in like that. Get a bit of earthing sleeve, slide it on, cut off the excess because it's slightly too long, and just attach that. Well, I'll turn the mains off first. Now attach that to the earth on the main cable there that's attached to the fuse box. So when that wall box is attached to the wall, there's just a slight earth through that. Now that works, still works, but the eagle-eyed of you would have noticed that I didn't really wire it through the wall box properly, so I'm going to do that now. That main cable there, I'm just going to stick through the back because this is what it would really be like attached to my wall. And I'm also going to need another wire, another cable that I'm going to use, which I'll also put through the back, and that will be attached to the light. God. And there it is. That wire will be attached to the light. Let's just tidying that up a bit there. Hurry up. Okay. Let's now connect the switch. There it is. That brown wire goes into COM. That brown wire is the one that is connected to the switch, to the fuse box. This, I'll just put the earth in there. While I'm at it, just connect up the earth. I will now put that brown, that's the cable that connects to the light, that goes into L1. And you can swap that around if you want. You don't have to do COM L1, you can do L1 COM. It's still just a switch. Just going to join these two blue neutral wires with a little connector. And that is another earth. Put a little bit of sleeve on that. That earth carries on to the light. There we go. Scotteroo that in. Very limited amount of space when you're wiring switches and things. Now that switch will now fit that box much better. And that box is what you would have in your wall with your cables into the back of it like that. Now I'm going to connect the light to the cable that I had set up for the light. And there we go. Brown in the brown, blue in the blue. And let's test it out, and it works. Very, very, very good. Excellent.